Hi, my name is Dr. Tejas Hambir. I am consultant neonatologist and pediatrician at Rainbow Children's Hospital, Secunderabad. Today, I would like to clear myths surrounding neonatal jaundice and enlighten the facts about the same. Jaundice is nothing but yellowish discoloration of skin and eyes. It is caused by a pigment called bilirubin. It is very common in neonatal period and is usually harmless, and it usually manifests between 3 days to 10 days of life. During the antenatal period, when the baby is in mother's womb, the mother's blood circulates into the baby and mixes with the baby's own red blood cell. After the baby is born, when the cord is clamped, the mother's blood is detected as foreign blood and slowly starts breaking down. The byproduct of this breakdown is called as bilirubin. Normally, the liver processes this bilirubin and excretes it via stools. In the newborn period, in the initial days, the liver is not completely mature. Hence, the bilirubin starts building up and the baby manifests as neonatal jaundice. All babies will develop jaundice, but very few of them will need treatment for same. Whether your baby will need treatment for jaundice is decided upon the blood bilirubin value, which is normally checked between 3rd day to 5th day of life, or maybe earlier if there are any risk factors. Once those values are available, those are plotted on the bilirubin chart, and if they are above the normal range, then your baby will need admission for neonatal jaundice. As mentioned before, all babies tend to develop jaundice. Only few babies tend to develop early or exaggerated jaundice, like babies who are born premature, babies who are born to mothers with blood group incompatibility, or babies who are born to mothers with gestational diabetes or hypothyroidism, or if the previous baby had exaggerated jaundice, and very less likely due to pathological conditions like infection or some metabolic conditions. Jaundice is not usually dangerous for babies. It can make your babies more sleepy or not wake up for feed. In few babies, the value of bilirubin can go very high, which can be harmful if not treated. If it is not treated at right time, the high bilirubin values can cause brain damage or affect hearing. If your baby's bilirubin value lies above the treatment range, they would need treatment with phototherapy. Phototherapy are nothing but blue lights of specific wavelength which helps in breakdown of bilirubin in the skin. During this process, your baby is kept into a crib or cot completely naked, wearing only nappies and an iPad. The iPad helps protecting the eyes from the blue light. It is important to keep your baby as much as possible under the blue light because that is going to bring down your baby's bilirubin value. Also, breastfeeding can be continued during this process. Repeat check of bilirubin would be needed after 12 hours or probably early depending upon the value of the previous bilirubin level. In very rare cases, if the baby's bilirubin value doesn't come down with phototherapy, babies might need exchange transfusion. You can take your baby home once the bilirubin value falls below the treatment range. Occasionally, once the phototherapy is stopped, there are chances that there would be rebound rise of bilirubin. Hence, it is very important to follow up on OPD basis after discharge. Thank you.